Hi, my name is Noelle. I'm a registered dietitian and mom of 3 young boys. On Instagram, you can find me at Motherhood and Meals. Today, I'm so excited to partner with Nature Fresh and bring you a meal that is full of flavor, nutrition, and quick and easy to make. So I started by making some gnocchi ahead of time. I've gone ahead and boiled and drained it. What I love about gnocchi is it takes about 3 to 5 minutes. You get the water boiling, you put the gnocchi in, it rises to the top in 3 to 5 minutes, and you're good to go. So you drain that water off. And then we're going to make a gnocchi bake. So we're gonna start by adding edamame. Edamame is a form of a soybean, and these are actually frozen, deshelled edamame, and they are full of complete protein. What that means is our body has certain essential amino acids that it needs to get from food. They're amino acids that the body can't make. The majority of the time we get our complete proteins that have all of those essential amino acids that our body cannot make through animal protein-based foods. However, there are some exceptions to that rule. Soy, quinoa, hemp hearts, and chia seeds. So when we add edamame to a recipe, we're actually adding a complete protein, but from that plant-based source. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add those on to start. So about a cup. Next, we're going to add some diced peppers. You could do green, yellow, orange, red, whatever color you like, or a mix. So for this one, I've chosen orange. And peppers are a great source of vitamin C. As soon as we have a source of iron in a recipe, which the edamame would provide us with a source of iron, and we add a source of vitamin C, we actually increase the absorption of that iron. So this is a great addition. In addition to the fact that the vitamin C, of course, is an antioxidant in itself and an immune booster. The next thing we're gonna add is some flavor. So I have a little bit of low sodium soy sauce here and a bit of garlic puree. You also could most certainly use an actual garlic clove and mince it down. The next thing we're gonna do is just add in some fresh tomatoes. So I've halved some tomatoes here that I'm just going to place on top. Tomatoes are another great source of vitamin C. They're also a rich source of something called lycopene. Lycopene is an antioxidant that has been proven to help reduce certain types of cancer. The next thing that we're going to add in is some goat cheese. You could use feta instead if you like, or you could even use shredded cheddar or mozzarella or a combination of cheeses. I really love the creaminess that goat cheese tends to add. So we're just gonna crumble that on top in chunks. And when you're baking the recipe, this will bake down. There's a little bit of fat in goat cheese, and the fat that's in the goat cheese will actually help you to absorb the lycopene, that really great antioxidant that's in the tomatoes. Another great source of healthy fat that we could add to this recipe is some pine nuts, as I have here. You can add them at this point, or you could give them a little sprinkle of them when the recipe comes out of the oven. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put the lid on this. We're gonna bake it in the oven at 375 or 400 for about 10-15 minutes until things warm through. And then you can scoop it onto the plate, add the pine nuts, and you can add maybe a spinach or a kale salad on the side. I hope that you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. I hope your family enjoys it as well. This is definitely a favorite of my children. Have a great day.